going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode. In today's video we have this magical box that we are installing, but we are installing this mod. It only costed me, I think it was $12. I'm not sure, but I'm gonna go ahead and paste the little description here of the thing. It's an F1 style third brake light. I've always wanted to do this, never got the chance, and I just found this on Amazon. You guys already know I'm a big fan of Amazon huge budget buys. I mean, these are not really expensive. You can buy the official one from the 370Z. You can buy it on Z1 Motorsports. I believe it's like $80. It's not that expensive. You can go ahead and buy that one, but I found this on Amazon for like 12 bucks, so it literally does not hurt to try it. All right, so now before I begin any further with today's video, I do want to announce today's sponsor, Simply Carbon Fiber, guys. They make carbon fiber everything. The phone especially, I mean, it's pretty cool. Usually you have to go to your car to see some carbon fiber, but now you have it straight from your phone. Also, the wallet holds money and it holds all my credit cards and stuff like that, and they do not fall at all. Super safe. So go ahead and make sure to check out their products. The link will be down in the description down below, and do not forget to use code BD10 to get 10% off on your purchase. Go ahead, check out their products. They even have sunglasses, bro. I actually need a new pair, so I might go cop some right now. So go to the link down below, check them out, and let's continue this video. Alright guys, today we're gonna be unboxing this F1 style light. It looks pretty cool online. We'll see how official it looks now. So this can literally make or break the installation, because if it looks super crappy, like, holy shit, this is kind of bigger than I expected. Not sure how, but it comes with two. I'm guessing if one doesn't work, you have a backup one. We're gonna test fit it to my diffuser, see how we plan on freaking even mounting this. Does this even reach?
We probably need some wires.
Alright, brothers, we're making a quick trip to Harbor Freight. I'm gonna teach you guys how to shift super fast, bro. Check me out. Automatic, baby.
Oh my god, that's a fat bump.
Airtime. Clip this. Damn. Oh, this is big. Oh, no. Alright, guys, so we're back from Harbor Freight. They didn't have any wiring, you know, sad result. But we went over to AutoZone and we were able to find the wiring and some connectors to, you know, tap in the wires to the tail light and whatever. So open this hood, which we got it. I don't have a stick with me.
I got a stick.
Alright, so what we're gonna do right now is actually we're gonna open up the battery right now, and we're actually just gonna go ahead and test the light first. Alright guys, we're testing it out. Will it work? Oh, did we get a faulty hit? Yeah.
Oh, flash, no?
Oh! I got you. Hold up. Alright guys, we exposed the wire. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Bro, do these flicker like this? What's going on?
That's F1 style.
Alright, let's do it. Step 1 complete. They work. Alright guys, so right now our issue is that we have this mounting bracket, and it should sit flat with this, right? But these little horns are not allowing it to, because this is for another bracket that comes with it. Need to chip off exactly this thing so it can be flat. So that's what we're gonna do right now. Like almost an hour, bro, and this is a $10 light, bro. We took this thing apart. Alright guys, so we finished pretty much drilling the bracket. Show them the bracket right there. It's our masterpiece. So we drilled the bracket to the plastic piece, which is the back of the F1 light. We also passed the screwdriver through. We want to make sure this hole is big enough to pass the wires.
Hey,
bro, these are official, bro. We just increased the value of these F1 lights by at least $50.
Stop the cap.
And it just kind of like pierces through the wire, and it's already instantly connected. See what I'm saying? See what I'm saying?
you know what I'm saying?
Like you could just put the wire you want crimped, put it through. Oh, you need some pliers. By the way, for those of you who are curious, what's the power right here? The power is the pink and blue stripe. I'm gonna connect the black one, that's the ground. If you connect the ground with the red wire, which is power, they stay solid. But if you do the black one with the yellow one, they stay flashing.
I'm just gonna do a solid right now for testing.
Solid for testing, okay.
Yeah, I'm gonna go press the
And
brakes.
just press the brakes and it should work. Dude, get out. Let's see. Yo, that is sick. That is fire. That is sick. Now he mounted it to the yellow, right? So now it's the yellow and black. It should be flashing. See, when I brake. Yo, that is fire. And so whenever I hold a brake, it's just gonna keep flashing, huh?
Yeah.
Fuck it. Bro, he got the soupy back. Soupy. Hell yeah. Bro, show this guy for the one time, bro.
Alright.
Alright, if your girl gets like this, you know, when you guys are having a good time, you know you've done your job. Alright, so now we're drilling for the F1 light. We're mounting it at this point. Make sure to breathe in the fiberglass. It has a lot of vitamins.
Bruh, this is so annoying.
Alright guys, so we're reaching the final step. We're pretty much just gonna mount the light to the diffuser and we should be good.
Yeah.
Alright guys, this is the final product. Before he shines the light though, let me show you what it kind of looks like with the thing. This kind of looks like. Alright, now let me turn off the lights. Alright Cameron, go ahead. Oh, he's alive. Bro, this thing's bright as shit. I'm gonna get pulled over, I already know.
Why would you get pulled over for brake lights?
Bro, this is seizure causing for people. This is gonna cause a seizure.
That's not that bad. Actually, it's kind of bad. It doesn't look bad at all.
Alright guys, we're here at the gas station. I'm gonna give you guys a final look. This is a $6, $7 Amazon third brake F1 Ferrari style Lamborghini Centenario light. Alright guys, so this is the end of the video. We're shooting a little rollers here for Instagram footage. But here is the final result. I mean, check it out. Let me know what you guys think. I'm not digging the red though, I will be honest with you guys. So I was able to find a clear lens one. That one comes in the mail tomorrow. I probably won't see it in the video since I want to post this right now. But we're gonna swap this one with a clear lens. The lights are red, but the lens will be clear. And we also have new tail lights on the way with clear chrome lens. And I mean a clear lens with chrome inside, and it's gonna look good. It's gonna look, that's why I don't want the red. So hope you guys enjoy the video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below what you guys think. For $5 is not bad at all. But we're gonna continue shooting rollers, and I'll catch you guys next video. Peace.